Okay, in this video, I just want to give you a criteria to get sales. Okay, so a lot of people get this wrong, and this is where you'll be, it will make or break you. Ignore my Tinder. It will make or break you from making sales or not. So it's the difference between quitting or actually receiving sales. So you actually continue on with the system. It's pretty simple, but a lot of people just don't really think about it. Okay, so what you should do is target passionate niches. So, if I was to give you two options, say pugs, as in dogs, versus a niche that is, hair products. You're going to go with the pug because people are proud to show that they own a dog and they own a pug, and they're not afraid about it. But like, if they're not going to wear a T-shirt of some shampoo, that's not a it's not a passion. So make sure when you do research, you revolve around passionate niches. You shouldn't be doing artistic designs. So stuff like the art kind of stuff doesn't really sell that well on Merch by Amazon. So you want to target passionate niches, and it's easy to do keywords around keywords to do the research. I'll show you how to do some research shortly. So and the other biggest advice is, if you're going to go fishing, fish where the fish are actually biting. Okay, what I mean by that is, go where the money's being made. Okay, so do your research where the sales are happening, and then that's where you go. Because if you're innovating, it's risky. If you're into LARPing, and let's say none of it's been sold on Amazon in LARPing, you might be passionate about LARPing, but if it's not selling on Amazon, it's going to be quite hard to make sales. But if where the pugs, it's selling like crazy on Merch by Amazon, pugs are selling like crazy, make your shirts around that kind of stuff. So let me show you a demonstration. Okay, so let me exit out of this. Okay, so I'll show you this software a bit later. I'll talk a bit more about Merch Informer. So this is kind of the holy grail of research software for Merch by Amazon. So you click on Merch Hunter. Sometimes you click around with this, but you don't want to go with the top 100 because that's where all the competition is. Okay, so you might want to go around there. So let's go with pugs. A search. So you've got to give it a minute. Here we go. It's nearly Christmas right now, so pugs and Christmas shirts. They're selling 24 a day, so there's money being made. The BSR is 100,000. I'll talk a little bit more about this special number shortly. So you can see Christmas. So because it's Christmas soon, maybe you can make a different version of this Pugly Christmas sweater, Pugly Christmas sweater, and you make a superior version of this, and you possibly get a percentage of the sales. I'll talk a little bit more about this tool, and this will show you the sales rank. So it's only been live for 19 days. And the statistic, if you look on the green where it says average, is 128,000 BSR, which is not bad. So this is a shirt that I would pick. I'll show you how to check the trademarks later. So that's kind of the criteria. We know pugs are passionate. People are passionate about Christmas, and people are passionate about pug dogs. So if you combine the two, you could get a nice chunk of sales. So we'll talk a little bit more about other methods of research, but you should stick with, try and go for this criteria, okay? Passionate niches, and go where the money's being made. Hope you enjoyed the video. Now you can check out some of my products, which is merchautopilot.com. Merch Autopilot is a blueprint to help you with the outsourcing process. So when things get a bit hectic for you, you can go back to having a life again. My next product is merchcomplete.com. It's a pre-made design factory, so it's going to be optimized, trademark checked. So check it out and click in the description below for a free sample.